an updated giveaway video. If you guys don't know by now, I am hosting a giveaway sponsored by YazSoft.com. Go ahead and check them out. I've reviewed 2 of their applications, which are the 2 that I happen to be giving away. In the future, couple videos here, I'll be reviewing their last 3 applications in their suite, of applications. But for now, I'm just going to be giving away 2 applications, which is Playback. This is a media server that's great for the PS3. You can see me demonstrate it in this video. Go ahead and click the annotation. It also works great for Xbox 360. You can connect Windows PCs, Macs, anything can connect to this media server, or it cannot connect. They have awesome security options, so this is great software, and I'm giving this away absolutely free. However, it is only an OS X only application, so you cannot run it on Windows. However, Windows PCs can connect to it. So not only that, I'll be giving away Unblender, which is sort of like a safety net for people that, they delete their stuff, they empty their trash, there's no way of getting it back until now, that is. So you can double click this. I'll just go ahead and demo this real quick. Just like my other video, you can watch a more in-depth video on this by clicking the annotation you see right now. But so I'm going to go ahead and recover, and here's the screenshot right there. And that was deleted, emptied to the trash. So works very nice. However, there has been a new addition to this giveaway. This one is a case, which is the Rink case, I think I'm saying that right, for HTC Desire HD. We will be giving this case away scot-free on the same date, so we decided to collaborate with this. We have not only these 2 YazSoft applications, but also this case for the HTC Desire. They're both going to be given away, if you look at the beefy old iCal here, on the 28th, April 28th, and in order to do this, there's 3 requirements. One, you have to be you have to be subscribed to me on YouTube. So if you're watching this video, you probably already are, but if not, then just go ahead, click the subscribe button up there. Next, you must also be a member of iTech City, and you must post in the forum. You have to post and introduce yourself. We've had some people having issues with this. You have to post in the introduce yourself thread first before you can post anywhere else. This lets us know that you're not a bot. So we don't want to have a bot enter the giveaway. So this is a sort of like a safety net to help reduce spam on the site and in the giveaway. So, and then you have to have 5 posts all together on the forum. That's pretty much all you gotta do. And this introduce yourself does count as a post, so pretty much 4 posts after that. So you can go on the off topic, you have Android, you have iOS, you have PSP, 360, many different forum topics here. And that's really all you have to do to win this giveaway. You just have to do some forum posts. Oh, and I forgot to mention the most important one. You have to post in the giveaway entries forum. This will count pretty much as your second post, so really 3. So you must post in the giveaway entries. This is where we'll pick the winner from. In this forum here, you just post a message, whatever you want. It could be, I love chicken, I hate chicken, pretzels are amazing, whatever you want in this thread. And that's how the winner will be picked, random.com. And there you go, that's pretty much it. So it's very easy to win, and like I said, everything, both applications in the case will be given away April 28th. I'm not sure what time of day. I'll just make a video announcing the winners and any action the winners need to take to claim their prize. So that's pretty much it. This case is sponsored by O.A. Walker. He's a writer for iTech City, so many thanks to him. Go ahead and check him out on YouTube. Follow him on Twitter at O.A. Walker. Links right down in the description. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and check out iTech City. Go ahead and get a post in those forums. Enter this giveaway. Even if you don't have a Mac, you could still, I'm sure you could, get this application and give it to someone that does have a Mac. They'd probably be very grateful because these are great applications. If anyone's like me, I have my PS3 over here, it's just great to be able to stream all this stuff with Playback. This Unblender application has already saved me many times. Just, you empty your trash, there's something important in there, you can get it back. And who doesn't want a case for their phone? Personally, I do not have an HTC Desire, but if you do, then even if you don't have a phone, you can get the case, sell it on eBay. So that's pretty much it. Go ahead, if you have any more questions, I'm at CPUKid on Twitter. Check out itechcity.org, and that's pretty much it for all the updates. So good luck in the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video.